Winter is here, and that means one thing: snow. If you're tired of backbreaking shoveling, it's time to upgrade. Imagine clearing your driveway faster, easier, and with zero strain. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're counting down the 6 best electric snow shovels of 2025, ranked from good to the absolute best. Whether you want cordless convenience, raw power, or a budget-friendly beast, we've got you covered. And hey, if you love staying ahead with the latest and greatest products, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop game-changing reviews to help you make the best picks. Plus, all the product links are in the description if you want to check them out. Now, let's dive in. For those who want raw power, the Ego Power Plus Multi-Head Snow Shovel is an absolute beast. With a 69-inch tall frame and weighing in at 18 pounds, without the battery, this isn't just a snow shovel, it's a snow-moving machine. This cordless powerhouse is powered by a 56-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering unmatched performance in even the toughest winter conditions. What sets this snow shovel apart is its modular design, which allows you to swap attachments with other Ego products, making it an excellent investment if you already own Ego tools. It comes with a power head shaft, a shovel head, a battery, and a charger, giving you everything you need to tackle the snow like a pro. Performance? This thing devours snow, throwing it 25 to 30 feet away with ease. The variable speed trigger gives you complete control, allowing you to adjust the power based on the snow conditions. Plus, the adjustable throwing direction means you can aim precisely where you want the snow to go. Looking for a reliable electric snow shovel without breaking the bank? The Toro Corded Power Shovel is a fantastic budget-friendly option. Weighing just 12.5 pounds, this corded electric shovel is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and surprisingly powerful for its size. It features a 7.5 amp motor, which might sound small, but trust me, it packs a punch. Performance-wise, this machine clears up to 6 inches of snow at a time, with a 12-inch clearing width. The biggest surprise? Its throwing distance. This little powerhouse can toss snow up to 25 feet away. The only downside? Since it's corded, you'll need a long extension cord. A 100-foot 16-gauge outdoor extension cord is recommended for the best reach. But if you don't mind plugging in, this is one of the best budget-friendly electric snow shovels available. Want cordless convenience? The SnowJoe SS13 is a standout in the battery-powered category. Powered by a 400-watt motor, this shovel cuts a 13-inch wide path and throws snow up to 20 feet away, all while weighing just 14 pounds. Performance-wise, it moves 300 pounds of snow per minute, making it a great option for small to medium-sized areas. The battery charges in under 2 hours, and during tests, it lasted about 30 minutes in heavy snow, which honestly is perfect for most driveways and sidewalks. While it won't replace a full-sized snowblower, it's an excellent tool for quick and efficient snow clearing. Need an electric snow shovel that's easy to handle? The Earthwise 16-inch corded snow shovel is perfect for seniors or anyone who prefers effortless operation. What makes this shovel stand out is its 6-inch rear wheels, which allow you to roll it effortlessly instead of lifting and pushing. It's almost like using a baby stroller or shopping cart, no heavy lifting required. With a 16-inch clearing width and 8-inch snow depth, it covers more ground per pass, making it a great time saver. It throws snow up to 30 feet depending on the type of snow. The only catch? The assembly takes longer than most other models, so be prepared for some work before using it. But once assembled, it's a breeze to use. If you want an ultra-lightweight snow shovel that still packs power, the Voltask 12-inch cordless snow shovel is a fantastic pick. At just 11.2 pounds, this is one of the lightest electric snow shovels available, making it super easy to maneuver. The adjustable snow throwing direction is a game changer, allowing you to aim snow 30 degrees left or right, which is perfect for tight spaces or dealing with strong winds. During testing, it threw wet, slushy, and powdery snow with ease. While it doesn't clear snow down to the pavement like some other models, it's ideal for decks, sidewalks, and making paths for pets. And now, the best of the best, the Greenworks 12-inch corded snow shovel. This powerhouse is budget-friendly yet insanely effective, throwing snow up to 20 feet with an 8-inch clearing depth. It tackled everything, from deep piles to icy chunks, with ease. The cord wrangler prevents accidental unplugging, and the adjustable handle makes it comfortable for users of all heights. The only real downside? It lacks adjustable louvers to control the snow's output, but for the price and power, this is hands down the best electric snow shovel of 2025. So there you have it, the best electric snow shovels of 2025. Whether you need lightweight handling, heavy-duty power, or a budget-friendly workhorse, there's a perfect match for you. Which one would you choose? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. We bring you the latest must-have gadgets so you can make the best consumer picks every time. And remember, all the product links are in the description so you can check out today's top contenders. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy shoveling. Blast off.